Grok is no longer free, but that doesn't mean you should stop creating AI videos. In this video, I'll show you a free alternative most people don't know about. Check out this video I created using this free tool.
Do you think we'll always be like this?
As long as we keep choosing each other.
No. Promise?
I promise.
Yes, the video you just watched and the one you're watching right now were both generated using this free tool. Now, here is how I did it.
Grok is no longer free, but I have a good news for you. I have found another AI tool that can allow you animate your images. That is you turning them to video. So, welcome to this tutorial with AI Genix Up. Kindly subscribe, like, follow, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe so as to get updates as I drop AI tutorials and other content creation tutorials on this channel. So let's dive in. So open your browser and type in Google Flow AI. So after typing in Google Flow AI, you are going to sign up if you are a new user. So after signing up, it's going to bring this interface. It's going to give you this interface. Click on new project. Ensure you have signed up and you are signed in already. So you click on new project. So another good thing about this website is that you can generate images, unlimited images for free, and it maintains character consistency. So for those that are into AI storytelling and other content niches and see you love image consistency, this is a great website you can use. If you would love me to do a tutorial on how to navigate this website, on how to create images and maintain image consistency, drop it in the comment section. So let us dive into this tutorial. So the main aim of this tutorial, as I said earlier, is to teach you on how to convert your images to video. Now once you're on this interface, once you log in newly, so all you have to do is to click on this place, then you switch to video. After switching to video, you can see frames, ingredients, 9:16, 16:9. So let me explain them one by one. These frames is when you are generating images in this website and you want to turn that image in this website to video, so you leave it in frames. But if you are the one uploading the images, you are going to change it to. Now after changing to ingredients, see, look, this 9:16, 16:9, it is basically talking about the aspect ratio. We all know that we all know what 9:16 aspect ratio is and what 16:9 aspect ratio is. Now look at this, ×1, ×2, ×3, ×4. That is the number of videos you want to generate per prompt. If you put it in ×1, it is going to give you 1 video per prompt, ×2, 2 video per prompt, ×3, 3 video per prompt, and ×4, which is 4 video per prompt. Now look at this, you can make use of VO 3.1 fast or VO 3.1 quality, but I'm going to leave mine at VO 3.1. One thing about this website is that it makes use of credit, but you don't have to be scared, because when you sign up newly as a new user, you are going to get 150 credits for free, and you get 50 credits daily as you log in. Also, you can subscribe, and I'm going to show you how to subscribe, and trust me, it is not as expensive. With as low as 3.5 per month, you can subscribe to this website. But let me teach you on how to do this, generate this videos for free. Now let's dive in. So look, see, I have changed it to ingredients, so I'm leaving it at ingredients. Then I click at this plus sign here so as to upload that image from my gallery. So after clicking on that, I'm going to click on this arrow here. So after clicking on it, if you want to take a photo or whatever it is you want to do, but I have the image I want to convert to video on in my phone photo library. So I have selected the image I want to convert to video, so you are going to allow it to upload. And one thing is that I even generated this image from this website. Once you are going to see the image and see how crispy it is. Can you see? I generated this image from this website actually, but it was already saved to my phone. So as I said, if you want me to teach you on how to generate this image, drop it in the comment section and I will do that. So I have my prompt already. I want to create a dialogue scene, so I'm going to paste my prompt. So can you see I have pasted my prompt? So all I have to do is to click on this arrow and allow it to generate. So you are going to give it few seconds to few minutes for it to generate. So can you see my video is done generating? So let's play and see the masterpiece I just created.
Do you think we'll always be like this?
As long as we keep choosing each other.
No. Promise?
I promise.
So can you see it generated an 8 second video for me, though it has a little watermark at the base here, at the right base. All you have to do is to cover it up while editing. So drop my thank you in the comment section. So after generating, all you have to do is to click on this here and download. So it's going to open up to you, and you click on 720p original size, so you allow it to download to your phone, gallery or library. So after saving your video to your gallery, and you would love to, let me show you on. So after saving your video, that's all you have to do is to upload the image. All you have to do is to upload the image, then add your prompt, and it's going to generate for you. So now let me show you about the credits. Can you see? So you just click on this icon here. Is the icon is that is going to display depends on the first alphabet of the email you used to log in. So you click on it. After you click on it, can you see this 130 AI credits? So if you want to upgrade, all you have to do is to click on upgrade. So after clicking on upgrade, can you see that you can pay 3,850 per month for you to generate your videos, but the image version is unlimited. You can generate as you want, but this video version you need to upgrade as times goes on. So can you see this is for the Google AI Plus plan. Then for the Google AI Pro, you can make use of it for a month. What do? You are going to click on this. So once you click on it, you will need to add your card, in your ATM card. You can make use of this for a whole month. And don't forget to disconnect your card once it is few days to the end of that month, because if you don't, you'll be debited. So hopefully I have been able to save you by giving you at least a temporary solution to you converting your images to video. Don't forget to drop my thank you in the comment section. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, comment and share, so as to get updates as I drop educative tutorials on my channel. Thank you for watching.